Hi there. Today we're taking a look at a product that was sent to me in exchange for an honest review, so let's get into some of the features. First off is the packaging that it comes in. It's a nice little Ziploc bag that has compartments to keep all of them safe and secure in there. They come bundled with these nice rubber bands. This happens to be the 6.6 foot version. It is a 240 watt USB-C to USB-C cable. One end is a straight end, one end is the 90-degree connection, which is super nice when you're connecting into devices that are going to sit down onto something. You don't have to worry about the ends always getting messed up when you're plugging them in for charging. They also come with, which I think is one of the coolest features, these little cable clamps. These have a adhesive bottom so you can stick them anywhere on your desk, and then they have this little magnetic cable clamp that allows you to keep your things organized. The other thing that I like is if you use it on your cable like this, you can pull it out, connect your device, and when you get up to leave, you can let it go and it's not going to fall back down behind the desk, which is always a pain. They're really good quality. These are braided cables. This happens to be a 2-pack, so it comes with 2 versions of them. And then it also comes with a little extra bag that has a couple of Velcro straps and an extra adhesive backing for the cable clamps that are over here. Good quality stuff. They all have their brand on it, so it's real nice product. I think it'll work really, really well. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.